Women have weaknesses, hidden ones. Most men have no idea they exist. But when you understand them, everything changes. Today, I'm revealing 7 hidden female weaknesses men need to know right now. Not to manipulate, to understand how attraction actually works. If you want to stop guessing and start knowing what triggers attraction in women, you need to hear this. Let's get into it. Weakness number 1. Women are attracted to men who have options but choose them anyway. This is called preselection. When a woman knows other women want you, her attraction increases automatically. It's biological. It's about mate selection. If other high-quality women validate you, she trusts that validation. But here's the deeper layer most men miss. When she knows you have options and you still choose her, that's when she feels truly special. She doesn't want to be your only option. She wants to be your best option. The weakness is she can't help this response. Even if she's logically independent and doesn't need validation, the attraction trigger fires anyway. So what do? Don't hide that you have a full life. Don't pretend she's your entire world on day 3. Show her you have opportunities and a life women want to be part of. Then choose her. That combination is powerful. Weakness number 2. Women test men constantly to verify you're really who you claim to be. This isn't conscious manipulation. It's instinctive filtering. She needs to know if you're genuinely confident or faking it. So she tests. She'll disagree with you to see if you fold. She'll be difficult to see if you get frustrated. She'll pull back to see if you chase desperately. Most men fail these tests because they don't realize they're being tested. They take it personally. They get defensive. They try harder to please her, and her attraction drops. The weakness is women can't help but test. It's how they verify your value. And the moment you fail, she loses interest. So what do? Recognize tests for what they are. Don't react emotionally. Stay calm. Don't get needy or defensive. Pass the test by not reacting like most men would. Show her you're exactly who you appear to be. Weakness number 3. Women are deeply influenced by how you make them feel, not what you say. You can say all the right words, but if the feeling isn't there, your words mean nothing. Women operate on emotion. They remember how you made them feel, far more than what you said. This is why the smooth talker who creates no emotion loses to the quiet guy who makes her feel everything. The weakness is logic doesn't drive female attraction. Emotion does. You can't negotiate attraction with facts. You can't convince her to like you with reasoning, but you can create emotions that draw her to you. So, what do? Focus on the experience, not the words. Create moments. Make her laugh. Challenge her. Create tension, and then release it. Make being around you feel good. That's what she remembers. That's what keeps her coming back. Weakness number 4. Women need emotional security more than emotional intensity. Men think they need to be exciting and unpredictable to keep a woman interested. That works short term. But long term, women crave emotional security. The feeling that you're stable, that you won't flip on them, that they can trust you to be consistent. This doesn't mean boring. It means reliable in character while interesting in actions. Women will test this. They'll create drama to see if you stay calm, if you'll be the rock. The weakness is women are drawn to men who make them feel safe, even when they think they want excitement. Chaos is exhausting. Security is attractive. So what do? Stay emotionally stable. Don't get rattled by mood swings or emotional tests. Be consistent. Show her that no matter what happens, you're solid. That foundation makes her feel safe enough to be vulnerable. Weakness number 5. Women bond through emotional sharing and need you to create space for it. Men bond through shared activities. Women bond through shared emotions. If you don't create space for her to share how she feels disconnected, even if you're spending time together. The weakness is women need emotional intimacy to maintain attraction. Without it, physical attraction fades. They need to feel seen, heard, understood. So what do? Ask how she feels. Listen without immediately trying to fix things. Validate her emotions even when you don't fully understand them. Create moments where she can be vulnerable with you. This builds a bond that surface-level interaction never creates. Weakness number 6. Women are attracted to purpose and ambition beyond them. A man with a mission is magnetic. A man whose world revolves entirely around a woman becomes suffocating. Women want to be part of your life, not the entirety of it. When you make her your purpose, you become needy. You lose your edge. The weakness is women are drawn to drive and ambition, even if they complain you're too busy. They'd rather compete for your time with meaningful pursuits than have all your attention with nothing interesting happening. So what do? Build your life, your career, your goals, your passions. Make yourself a man who's going somewhere. Invite her to join the journey, but never stop moving forward, just to focus entirely on her. That's when attraction dies. Weakness number 7. Women want you to lead, but will resist to test if you're capable. She says she wants you to make decisions, then questions every decision you make. She says she wants a strong man, then pushes back when you're strong. Here's what's happening. She's testing whether you'll hold your frame or collapse under pressure. The weakness is women need to follow a leader they trust, but they can't trust you until they've tested you. So they resist, not because they don't want you to lead, because they need to know you can handle resistance. So what do? Make decisions confidently. When she pushes back, listen, but don't automatically change course. Consider her input, but stay firm on what you believe is right. Show her you can lead even when it's not easy. That's when she relaxes and trusts you. Now here's what you need to understand about all 7 weaknesses. They're not flaws. They're how female psychology works. When you understand them, you stop getting frustrated and start working with female nature instead of against it. You stop feeling confused. You start seeing patterns. And you use that knowledge to build real attraction. These aren't manipulation tactics. They're insights. When you align with these truths instead of fighting them, everything becomes easier. If this opened your eyes to how attraction actually works, drop a comment. And if you want more insights on female psychology, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.